Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Ninjas. Today we're talking about a project that's been around for years and recently exploded onto the scene with a Binance Alpha listing, Towns Protocol, and its token Towns. We will break down what Towns is, how it works, the latest airdrop details, and what we think Towns could be worth on August 5th. Let's jump right in. First up, what is Towns Protocol? Well, think of Towns as the decentralized version of Discord, but built fully on chain. It runs on base layer 2 and it lets communities set up their own private or public chat groups called spaces, where all the logic, rules, memberships, and even payments are governed by smart contracts. You can have NFT gated spaces, pay to join spaces, DAO control spaces, and it's all programmable. In other words, towns give real ownership and control to communities, not just some Web2 big giant companies running your group chats and may read all your messages. Now, let's talk about achievements. And Towns has a few impressive ones already. They are currently over 378,000 spaces created. They've onboarded about 1.4 million unique memberships, and the protocol has already generated more than 7,800 Ethereum in revenue, mostly from community tips and paid memberships. From a funding perspective, Towns is no joke either. It has secured over $46 million in funding from top tier investors, A16Z Crypto, Coinbase Ventures, Benchmark, Framework, Echo, plus strategic angel contributors. So, what's the big news? Well, Towns just announced their token Towns on Binance Alpha, going live on August 5th. And Binance Alpha is Binance's new platform for early stage projects, in case you don't know. You can earn good money if you have the proper guidance. So, check out our video about Binance Alpha and how you can earn up to $300 in a month safely. And use our referral code for 20% off of the trading fees and up to $100 in bonus on Binance. Thank you very much. Launching on Binance Alpha gives Towns access to Binance's entire global user base, which means more liquidity, more attention, and better accessibility for the new users, even those outside of the typical Web3 crowd. It's a huge signal that Binance sees its Towns as a serious long term player in the social layer space. My prediction is that Towns will also be listed on either Binance Future or Binance Spot right after the alpha listing. Next, let's talk about the Towns airdrop because, yeah, it's a big one. Back in June 3rd, 2025, Towns Protocol announced that they have already snapshotted Towns activities on April 10th, 2025 at around 12 p.m. EST, and there will be a second snapshot taken closer to the airdrop. So if you haven't joined Towns, then you would be quite late. Now, the airdrop initially set for Q2 is now expected later this summer, specifically on August 5th after on Binance, as they complete work on distribution, user analysis, and filtering and protocol infrastructure. There haven't been any other details regarding how much you would get, but my personal guess is that if you've been active, on Town since the early days, then you could expect an airdrop worth around $300 to $500 depending on your activities. If you are less active, obviously you might get less than $300, probably $50 to $100. But if you are more active and you have a very active spaces contributing to the app, then you can expect over $1,000 in free tokens. If you are already late to the Towns airdrop, that is completely fine because since Towns is on Binance Alpha, you can receive free Towns token through the Binance Alpha airdrop program directly on the Binance app. Make sure to have more than 200 points though, because that's normally the threshold. Say what you will about Binance Alpha, but I think that's still a major win for the communities. Okay, so what can you actually do with the Towns token? Well, there are several utilities. First, governance. You can vote on protocol upgrades and community rules. Second, access. You will use it to pay for memberships or join premium spaces for alphas, for example. Number three, creator monetization. Creators can earn Towns token through tips or access fees. Number four, buy and burn. The protocol revenue is used to buy back and burn Town's token, which adds deflationary pressure. So this is not just a token that you hold, it actually powers the entire Town's ecosystem. Finally, let's move into the price prediction, the most exciting part. I personally think Town's token will launch on Binance Alpha at around $500 million in FDV, fully diluted value. That's around 5 cents if the total supply is 10 billion tokens. Now, if the total supply is 1 billion tokens, then that would be 50 cents per token. Then if the project maintains momentum and got listed, let's say on Binance Spot or Binance Futures, I think a short-term move to about 10 cent or $1 billion in FTV is realistic because the Binance Spot listing draws in new liquidity. The bear case, however, let's say Town's airdrop is disappointing, the market is going down, the users flooding left and right, then Town's token might drop from 5 cents to about 3 cents after on Binance, meaning to about $300 million in FTV. The bullish case is that Towns straight up listed on Binance Alpha at around $800 million in FTV or about 8 cents and shoot up 2x to about $1.6 billion. We could even see $2 billion or even more. Because Towns isn't a meme coin, pump and dump. It's a real product with real revenue and backed by A-tier investors and now listed on Binance. The setup is strong. However, social apps in Web3 or social-fi, quote unquote, is not a hot topic at the moment. So it's going to be interesting to see how Towns token perform on the TGE date. So yeah, that's my coverage about Towns and my Towns token price prediction. What do you think? Drop a comment below and I'll make sure to reply to everyone. And of course, smash that like button, subscribe to CryptoNinjas, and turn on notifications so you don't miss awesome crypto contents like this. If you're trading Towns or any other tokens on Binance, make sure to sign up using our code on the screen right now, and you will get 20% off of your trading fees and up to $100 bonus as a new user. This is Daily from CryptoNinjas, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.